Analogy, our next chapter in logical reasoning. Analogy is a cognitive process of transferring information or meaning from a particular subject to another, or a linguistic expression corresponding to such a process. Analogy plays a significant role in problem solving as well as decision making. It has been argued that analogy is the core of cognition. Now let's have a quick idea about the type of questions that come in analogy for logical reasoning by solving them. A good way to figure out the relationship in a given question is to make up a sentence that describes the relationship between the first two words. Then try to use the same sentence to find out which of the answer choices completes the same relation with the third word. If odometer is to mileage, then compass is to, the options are speed, hiking, needle or direction. Now, an odometer is an instrument used to measure mileage, and compass is an instrument which is used to measure direction. So the right option is option D, direction. Next example, choose the picture that would go in the empty box so that the two bottom pictures are related in the same way as the top two are related. Now the top two pictures we can see, one shows a hand and the other shows a ring. Now ring is something that we wear in the hand. Then the second picture shows a head. So something from the options that we can also wear on head is a cap. So the right option is option 1, cap. Next example of similar type. Now on the top we can see a t-shirt and a shoes. Now the relation between the two are both are clothing materials. And in the second picture we can see a drawer. And from the options, if someone which is on the same category of that of a drawer is a couch, because both drawer and couch are furnitures. So the right option is option 2. Next example, the words in the bottom row are related in the same way as the words in the top row. For each item, find the word that completes the bottom row of words. First row is candle, lamp and floodlight, and the second row is hut, cottage and the required word. Now here the options are tent, city, dwelling or house. Now if we again look at the first three, candle, lamp and floodlight, then we can find the relation between them as source of lights, and they're arranged such that their power is in the increasing order. That means lamp is more powerful than candle and floodlight is more powerful than lamp. So below the option that we can see feasible is a house, because here hut, cottage and house are all sources of housing or shelter. And as far as order is concerned, cottage is bigger than a hut and a house is bigger than a cottage. Some might also consider tent as an option, but tent is smaller than a hut, so it do not match the ascending order. Next example, the following questions consist of a related pair of words followed by 5 pairs of words. Choose the pair that best represents a similar relationship to the one expressed in the original pair of words. The original pair is binding, booking. And the options are criminal gang, display museum, artist carpenter, nail hammer and frame picture. Now the relation that we can see between a binding and book is the binding holds the book together. Now in the options, the criminals don't hold the gang together, the display cannot hold the museum together, artist does not hold the carpenter together, nail cannot hold the hammer together, but the frame holds the picture together. That's why the right option is option E.